こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, this is the grammar video 133 and we're gonna continue with the conditionals. Tara, and this is the part 4 of Tara. In these conditionals, Tara, we always use in the past tense. Until now, we studied the ta form of the verb, nai form of the verb, and also e adjective. And today we're gonna learn na adjective and the nouns. At first, we're gonna see some examples of na adjective. In this case, instead of na, in the affirmative case, dattara. In a negative case, ja nakattara. If you are not busy and you don't have anything to do, please help me. This adjective, e adjective, 忙しい, it means busy and I have lots of things to do. But just the opposite word, the contrary, is hima. This is na adjective. It means to have lots of time. I'm not busy. This is hima. 暇だったら手伝ってください。暇だったら手伝ってください。If you like it, please eat much more. The verb to like, in English, this is the verb. But in Japanese, we use na adjective, and this is 好き. So, if you like it, if you like, 好きだったら、好きだったら、好きだったら、もっと食べてください。好きだったらもっと食べてください。If you don't like it, it's not necessary that you eat. You don't have to eat it. Here we use the negative sentence. If you don't like it. So in this case, 好きじゃなかったら。好きじゃなかったら。好きじゃなかったら、食べなくてもいいです。好きじゃなかったら食べなくてもいいですよ。If you are worried, well, let's go to the hospital. To be worried, 心配. And this is the contrary, 安心. To feel relieved. 心配だったら、病院へ行きましょう。心配だったら病院へ行きましょう。If you are worried, let's ask a doctor to examine you. The verb to examine a patient medically, this is with this kanji, 見ます. But the same intonation and pronunciation is this 見ます, to see or to watch. Or even this 見ます, to see the TV or the theater or to watch a movie. This is with this kanji 見ます. But this 見ます, this is only for the doctors. The doctors examine a patient. This is 見ます. In my grammar video 126, I already explained about 手 form あげます. 手あげます. It means I do some favor for someone. お手もらいます. 手もらいます. I ask for a favor to someone. Or someone asks a favor and that person does this favor. This is 手もらいます. In this case, 見てもらいます. Because it means I ask a doctor to examine. Now a little bit more complicated. If let's ask a doctor to examine you. 見てもらいましょう. This ましょう means let's. So let's ask. もらいましょう。心配だったら医者に見てもらいましょう。心配だったらお医者さんに見てもらいましょう。If my grandmother is okay, and if she's fine, I'm gonna watch the cherry blossoms together. お花見. This is the word that means 花, flowers. 見ます to see flowers. But this is only for cherry blossoms. In Japan, in March and April, in this season, we go to hanami, and it means we go to see cherry blossoms. Genki, this is not adjective, and the meaning is healthy or it's okay, it's well. おばあちゃんが元気だったら、おばあちゃんが元気だったら、一緒にお花見に行きます。おばあちゃんが元気だったら、一緒にお花見に行きます。Till here, you learned na adjective, but now the nouns. And nouns is just as the same as na adjective. It means noun だったら for the affirmative, noun じゃなかったら for the negative. If my grandmother is not sick, I go to ohanami together. Actually, the meaning of the sentence is nearly the same, exactly the same as the sentence before. But before I used genki, this is not adjective. But now we're going to use the noun, 病気. This means sickness, illness. But we can use as if you are sick, 病気だったら, like this with this 病気. But this is noun. おばあちゃんが病気じゃなかったら、おばあちゃんが病気じゃなかったら、一緒にお花見に行きます。おばあちゃんが病気じゃなかったら、一緒にお花見に行きます。If it were sunny and good weather, I'm gonna climb a mountain. We have several ways to say good weather. For example, 天気がいい。天気がいいです。The weather is good. Weather is fine. But this is e adjective. Using this to say if the weather were fine, 天気が良かったら. Now I change the order. いい天気. In this case, 天気, this is noun. So if it's a good weather, いい天気. So いい天気だったら, if the weather is fine. The third way, using the verb 晴れます。晴れます it means the sky clears up. So 晴れたら the fourth and the last way to say if it's good weather. Well, 晴れます this is the verb, but without ます only 晴れ. 晴れ this is noun. 晴れ this is sunny weather with lots of sun. 晴れ but this is noun, so if it were good weather, 晴れだったら. Now you know the 4 ways to say it's good weather. It's fine, it's sunny. But now I'm gonna make only 2 sentences using in the case of noun. いい天気だったら、いい天気だったら、山に登ります。いい天気だったら山に登ります。晴れだったら山に登ります。晴れだったら山に登ります。If it rains, I can't play the tennis. In my grammar video, number 130, I explained this one using the verb 雨が降ります。In this case, 雨が降ったらテニスができません。But in this lesson, we're going to use just as the noun, 雨, the rain. 雨だったらテニスができません。雨だったらテニスができません。If it rains tomorrow, the excursion will be cancelled. The conditional たら in the case of nouns and adjectives, this is always the meaning is the hypothetical condition. So we can use this adverb もし outing, excursion or school trip, we say 遠足 and the kanji en, this is 遠い far. 足 this is 足 legs. So with legs we are going very far. It means we walk a lot in 遠足 excursion. 遠足 cancel, cancellation, suspension, 中止。The kanji 中、中 in the middle. し、this is 止めます or 止まります。To stop. To stop in the middle. 中止。suspension or cancel. もし、明日、雨だったら、もし明日雨だったら、遠足は中止です。もし明日雨だったら遠足は中止です。If it snows heavily tomorrow too, then the school will be closed. It snows heavily, but I'm gonna use as the noun. So heavy snow, 大雪. You know, 雪, only 雪, this is snow. But adding this O, big, 大雪, heavy snow. もし明日も大雪だったら学校は休みです。お休みです。もし明日も大雪だったら学校はお休みです。Let's see the difference between 休みます and 休みです。休みます this is the verb group 1. 休みます it means to have a break, to have a rest. 休みます。Then 休む、休んで、休んだ、休まない。But 休みor お休み this is the noun. The meaning is the break, but as a noun or day off. So 休みです this is a day off or this is a break. 休みです。If I get cold, I drink a lot of water and I go to bed early. Cold, but the sickness, like catch a cold, have a cold. But we are going to use just as the noun. 風, this is cold, 風. So I can say, 風だったら if I get cold or if I catch a cold. 風だったらお水をたくさん飲んで早く寝ます。風邪だったらお水をたくさん飲んで早く寝ます。If I were you, I will never go. もし私があなただったら、もし私があなただったら、絶対に行きません。もし私があなただったら絶対に行きません。If you are me, what would you do? もしあなたが私だったらどうしますか？どうする？もしあなたが私だったらどうする？ These two last sentences is very useful to use with だったら such as if I were you, if I were your mother. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目 If it's necessary, I will go to buy a medicine. 2番目 If it's hard or if it's nearly impossible, you don't have to do the homework today. 3番目、最後です。If I were you, I would get married with him. Today's video is the last video of the conditional tara. In total, there are 4 videos. If you watched all of these 4 videos, I'm sure you know very, very well how to use tara. If you liked these videos, please give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can receive all of my videos. And also if you can share my videos with your friends, you can help me a lot. Please. いかがでしたか？今日もたらを続けました。今回はな形容詞と名詞、どちらも仮定条件を表す表現です。今日のこのパート4で タラの勉強を終わりにしたいと思います。これらのビデオを4つ全部見てくださったら、絶対にこのタラの使い方がよく理解していただけたと思います。これらのビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そうしてくださると私の励みにもなりますし、これからももっともっと頑張って皆さんの役に立つビデオを作ろうと思う気力がたくさん湧いてきます。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。絶対に来てね。じゃあね。